Yo, CN Prince, one fat one. You know we roll every day. We rolling up, man. Please roll one fat one for me, there, Sean. Please roll one fat one. Yeah. Please roll one fat one for me, there, Sean. I gotta hit one fat one. Yeah. I puff grass like it's 50% oxygen. I'm getting money, no taxes in. 100 stacks every day from a short day of hustling. Not my pockets or a box it in. Banks all over Jamaica, my paper lord. Just stack $5,000 notes. But I prefer my cards, I buy faster when I step in the stores. And the shoppers in line never ignores the look in my eyes and the color it is. Eyes low cause I'm high off weed. Hit the sweet, then I get what I need. In the food stores, trying to get some grocery. CEO, on top of my game, aim to live high life. Work hard, don't give these any of my money. I have to hustle for this money, honey. And hustle ain't easy, running in from the cops, spraying your ain't on your face when you hear them shots. And these cops these days, all they want is to kill you and lock you up for an ounce of that mental food. Then life with their friends at the end of the day. See, I get it, I don't sell it, and I do not grow it, but I use it and I love it, and I might just show it. And these niggas better know that my defense is out. So don't step, don't touch, bitch, don't brush this. Hold off, roll this, smoke this. Bring me back in focus and roll a fat one for me, Sean. I need a fat one. The fat one, yo, the fat one, yo, roll one. Yeah, the fat one, yo, the fat one, yo, I got a whole one. Yeah. Say I get so high when I smoke that fatty high grade Jamaican trees. We got it, sun is hot outside, inside AC cool. BMW pass you, I'm going to school, bright, Mr. Know it a lot. Then I like to write songs and I flow it a lot. Girls like me a lot, ask me every day why my weed is so fat. Do the maths, with the 16 of them. Dream at 16, Mercedes Benz. Able/manage, all expense equal millions. They say that don't make sense. What's the difference? What I want to do is to take off their panties and do the damage. Then we can talk about marriage. I always got one. Please roll one fat one at the end of the day when I drop one. Yo, please roll one fat one for me, dear Sean. Please roll one fat one. Yeah. Please roll one fat one for me, dear Sean. Roll one. Yeah. Please roll a fatty, Sean, yeah. Talk to somebody, most likely you. You like to talk to me too. A fat one always take me away from you, then bring me back in a different view. Higher than I was when I started talking to you. The past, present, and the future is now in my view. Looking at the big picture, subconscious view. All the different views and overviews clear on the table. Focus, the next clear step. Make a difference in my life, take great steps. Work hard, go inside, thank God Almighty. I'm so bright, seeing Prince taking these chances, making these cash advances. Dude, see it and talk, cat be on my back. See I smoke a lot, I bet you hope that I crash your old trash. Probably if you roll a fat one, you end up choking a lot and then you broke a lot. So you can't afford a fat, all my gang know that. I don't joke, but I laugh. Stack some money from Klarindon, nigga, don't even ask. My girl, I class, smell smoke when I pass. Keep a fat one roll in the back of the E-class, smoking fast. Niggas talking shit get smashed. Wallet is fat, they better know that, yeah. Please roll one fat one for me, dear Sean. Roll one. Yeah. Roll one fat one for me, dear Sean. Roll one. Yeah. Fatty, yo, the fatty. Yo, the fatty will roll one fat one. Yeah. The fatty. Yo, the fatty, yo, the fatty, one fat one, roll one, CN Prince, yeah.